How's it going, everybody? So today, this afternoon, when I turned on my Xbox One, I was having an issue with the screen being completely black when I turned it on, and I was not expecting that when I turned it on this morning. So doing a little bit of research, I figured out that it is on Microsoft's side, not on our side. So there is a simple and easy fix for this that may take more than one try. It took me exactly 3 tries for me to figure it out. But what you do is you turn off your Xbox. And you're going to want to wait till the light stops blinking completely. After you do that, you're going to want to go into where you plug it into the wall and unplug it. Once you unplug it, you're going to want to hold the power button down for about 20 to 30 seconds. What this does is it drains all of the power from the power bank right there, ensuring that there is nothing left as far as power for your Xbox. Since I already did this, I'm not going to hold it down for 30 seconds, but after you do that, you're going to want to come back, if I can find the cord here, and plug back in your Xbox One. After you do that, you want to come over to your Xbox and turn it on. I only did this once before, so hopefully it works again, but that seemed to work for me the first time. And it may take a little bit longer to power up since there was no excess energy in the power bank. And there you have it. Hopefully this works for you guys, and good luck to you.